In this video, I'll guide you through how to import data into BigQuery, a powerful tool for analysts and data scientists looking to handle large datasets with ease. Whether you're dealing with structured or semi-structured data, BigQuery provides versatile options to import your data efficiently. Today, we'll focus on one of the most straightforward methods, uploading a local file via the Cloud Console. This no-code method is perfect for small to medium-sized files, up to 100 megabytes in size, that you have stored on your computer. Let's begin by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Once there, head over to BigQuery and then to the SQL workspace. Here, you'll find an Explorer panel on the left side of your screen. Expand your project to locate the dataset where you want to import your data. This is an important step as you need to ensure you're working in the correct dataset. Once you've found it, click on the 3 vertical dots next to the dataset name. This will give you several options, but for our task today, select Create Table. Now, you'll see the configuration panel, which is where you'll set up your new table. Under Create Table From, choose Upload. This indicates that you'll be uploading a file from your local machine. Next, click Browse to select the file you want to import. It's crucial that you choose the correct file, so make sure you know where it's stored on your computer. Once you've selected your file, you'll need to specify the file format. BigQuery is designed to auto-detect the file format, which is incredibly helpful. However, it's always a good idea to double-check that the detected format matches your file type. For instance, if your file is in CSV or JSON-L format, ensure that this is correctly identified in the configuration panel. After confirming the file format, it's time to name your new table. Choose a clean, descriptive identifier for your table. This will make it easier to locate and reference in future queries. Naming conventions in BigQuery are fairly flexible, but it's best to avoid spaces and stick to alphanumeric characters and underscores for clarity. Next, let's talk about the schema. BigQuery can automatically detect the schema, which is the structure of your data, including column names and data types. To do this, simply check the Auto Detect box. This is especially useful if your file includes headers, as BigQuery will scan them and infer the appropriate data types, whether they're integers, strings, timestamps, or other types. Finally, once you've reviewed all your settings, click Create Table. BigQuery will begin the import process. This may take some time, depending on the file size and your internet connection, but once it's complete, your data will be available in the table you just created. You can then run queries, perform analysis, and leverage the full power of BigQuery's robust data handling capabilities. This method is ideal for those new to BigQuery or those who prefer a graphical interface over writing code. Importing data through the Google Cloud Console is straightforward, and as you become more comfortable, you can explore other methods such as using SQL commands or the BQ command line tool for larger datasets or more complex tasks. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to importing data into BigQuery using the Google Cloud Console. With this foundation, you're well on your way to managing data more effectively and unlocking insights with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.